Hi, in this short video we are going to see how data from text file can be streamed to Kafka topic and subsequently sync or export to another text file using Kafka Connect. First, let's start the Zookeeper server in all the node in this multi-node cluster. Here I have three node and starting the Kafka server in all the three nodes. Here I have installed and configured Apache Kafka version 2.6.0, not integrated schema registry. By default, file source and file sync connectors are available in Apache Kafka binary. Only we need to configure them separately for streaming data from file to topic as well as from topic to another file. We are running the connector in standalone mode, so need to modify connect standalone.properties file because I am not running in a distributed mode, and these scripts are available inside the config directory. I have provided the link in the description below where it has been explained in detail about all the configuration parameters. Thanks for watching this video. If you feel it is worth, you can share it to your friends or community. Thanks again.